My God, Jack, look at that boat. It is so big.
It doesn't even look like a dragon boat.
I know.
It's just so long, so heavy, and just too big.
I like big boats and I cannot lie. You others don't deny that when you're in a little boat, you know that it will get sunk. Cause when I'm rowing, I feel safe knowing that when I get to where I'm going, I'm gonna be dry. I want a big boat. I want a big boat. I like my domes steamy and meaty and from now lead, so I don't want that fat in the middle, cause it will jiggle. I won't eat it now unless you got lodge, y'all. So fellas, if you like that sticky rice, just put it in the back for a snack and eat it when we roll. I want a big boat. I want a big boat. I want a big boat.
You like my boat? That's right, girl. It's big. No. Not that one. The brown one. Wait. It's the one to the left.
So fellas, if you like those dragon boats, just put some don'ters in the back and eat them when we roll. I want a big boat. I want a big boat. I want a big boat.
Hey, give me my lodge out.